So what I'm doing is this manure spreader makes quite a bit of noise. So I'm just driving it around them a little bit, kind of get them used to all the noise. And then I'm going to drive them along beside it and stuff. So I'm just getting ready to go and spread some manure. And I'm just getting these horses used to this manure spreader because it makes a little bit of noise. So we drove it around them. They seem fine. So now we're just going to take it out with the quad. And I'm going to kind of follow along with them up beside it and this and that and whatever. And then whenever they're fine, I'll hook up to it and we'll go from there. I'm just trying to not get into a wreck and make it an easy going thing. But I'll show you what I've done to the manure spreader here so far. After I got it, I put this tailgate on. And then when you get to where you're going to, you can lift that up. And then I put this, I built this here, put this on, hoping that there won't be quite as much fall on the ground. So, but anyway, I got to keep that up while we're trying this out, otherwise it'll hook on those crossbars. So anyway, we're going to go and see how it works. Okay, just to hold them. Ooh. Yeah, that's good. Just stop there.
Did you see anywhere?
Atta boys. That's good, boys. Uh, uh, uh. How's it look?
Looks like you're working.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stand. So the biggest thing is basically safety. And I mean, if anything goes wrong, I'll be fine. But I don't want my horses getting hurt. So that's why I'm just taking my time and going for success here, and not just get on her and see what happens. And I'll show. I did this. I got my pin in there. I got a rope up. So if something does get a little haywire, I can pull that pin and drop this manure spreader, just till I know we're good to go. So I'm going to jump in the skid steer and put a small load on here, and we'll see how she goes. Should have had their boots on. I'll go smaller loads next time. It's a little heavy. Yeah, this load's a little bit heavy. I'll definitely make the next one lighter. I don't mind them working a little bit, but I don't want to overdo it. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, whoop, 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 whoop. Stand. 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 Well, here goes. I don't know what speed I'm on. You think I want to be on slow or fast? Walk up. Walk up. Come on. Woo, woo, woo. Stand. Easy, easy. G, G, G. Easy, easy. Go, 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 go. Stand, stand, stand. Pick up. There you go, boys. Oh, 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 oh. That's a little better. A little. G. 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 Oh, that's good. That's good. Stand. Yeah, so anyway, we got off to kind of a late start today. So I got 2 loads out, and we will get more out tomorrow. I just wanted to get the first couple out while I had a little bit of help. Worked really well. So yeah, I'll get some more out tomorrow, see how it goes if it doesn't rain. So anyway, you guys have yourselves a good one.